And now we find ourselves in the middle of a war between the Billy and the...
Oh, Billy's weapon is crushed. Billy's weapon has been crushed.
His weapon is completely raped. There is nothing left. He cowers in fear. Oh, wait. Oh, and he strikes. Now Charlie's enraged. What will he do? And he decides to strike. Here he comes. And a wild game of cat and mouse ensues. Charlie, like a puma, and Billy running like an antelope. Let's follow this to the pool table. Oh. And he tries to strike, but Billy is quick on his feet, agile. Charlie preferring brute strength. Billy, if you break my pool cue, I'll bitch slap you. Oh boy, he's attacking. Oh, and Ethan comes out of nowhere with a kick to the balls, and he's receiving. Oh no! Oh. Charlie has struck his revenge. And now, let's get a close-up. He's not happy with this. He's not happy with this. What comments?